at painting class, at art class, painting class, however you want.
Ready
And
for the
I'm
babies.
painting a bird, a kind of bird.
Yep. Yep.
We're trying to paint right now. And
Really
Alan
good.
is trying to be a statue.
Your blending is good. Mine's choppy.
Okay, now you gotta wait for this to dry. So while you're waiting for that to dry, keep painting your edges.
Okay. Like that on the sides.
Yours?
That's not fair.
Egg shape in right there. And if you're doing the baby bird, it's gonna be a little bit of a fatter egg, and if you're doing mama bird, it's a little bit of a slimmer egg shape there. Yep. That's it, and let's get it a little more baby bird fat. There you go. And with these lines will paint out, so don't worry about if you have lines. Okay, then you're going to put the head on the bird. So if you draw a little line up from the chest area, this is going to be your chest. You put the head right into this circle, not on top of it, so it goes into it just a little bit. Now you're doing mama birds, you might want to make that head a little smaller or the body a little bigger to match up. Yep, that's really good. So let's make your head a little bit smaller. A little bit into that body right there. So you don't have to go on my lines, you can go on your lines. Right under the head and bring it down and up the back. And you already got yours. You're getting bored over there already.
No, I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, you can look at the, there were some fairy turns up there in the trees earlier. The sound flying around. Okay, that's good. Give it a little bit of a curve. You're doing baby bird, right? Right along his back. Okay, so you got his wing in. And then you got your little tail on there, right? Comes right there, maybe. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Did you get the tail? You did. Okay. So now we're gonna paint our bird in, and you can just use the line. So in the circle that you're using for the head, you might have a few of them. Right in the middle, you draw a line, and that's the beak. So it's right through the middle of that circle, comes out, straight out. And if you make a little curve, it's going to look like a kiwi. So don't do that. It's so amazing how one little line will change your whole
Okay, so just make it straight.
Yeah, make it straight. And then you go right in from the beak and you put the eye. Now the eye's not in the middle of the head. It's towards the beak, but it does line up with that beak right there. And then you kind of got a good visual of your bird. Okay, so now we all just need some gray and white. Make sure there's that gray and white. Your paintbrushes, probably this one is the best one to use. Because this is going to be our bird brush.
This one did. There you go.
Okay, and then just dip into the white paint with the back of your brush. And then start making dots along the edge of the head. Now make sure you use the line that you like and not the line that you don't like. That might be a little tricky, but dots. I'm just dotting. I'm going to dot some white in there. And then I'm going to dot some gray right under it. And then I'm going to dot some more white.
That part. Oh, where I went.
And once you get a few dots in there, not the whole bird, you're going to take this brush and you're going to really lightly brush it back, and it's gonna pick up both colors. And you don't want to dot your whole bird in and then brush, because it will dry out and it won't do that. You can kind of shape it around with the smaller brush later, but you just want to try to get that like little fluffy, you kind of get the shape of it before you do that. Okay, get some more white dots in there. Okay, now turn your brush around and lightly brush in the shape of his head. Just get yourself an outline of your bird first, and then we'll dot the inside. Okay? Yeah, just follow along the chalk lines that you like, and then we'll dot the inside. And then all of these chalk lines out here, we'll paint them out later. Now you don't need to do that connecting to there. You can just come right back down like that. Don't make kiwi beaks.
Straight beak, no kiwi.
Yeah, let me
Is my eye too high?
yeah, a little high. Have a little more control.
So you get gray or black?
Gray. White and some dark, and I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna make some little leaves on top of my green duck there. And if you want to make a flower, I'll show you how to make a flower too.
Yeah.
Okay, so this you can make some leaves. Let me turn this so you can reach it. Here we go. There you go.
You think my beak's high enough? So guys, now I'm writing right in the shoes. I finished a beautiful picture. Yes, that should be before. Then it's okay. Because that's funny. So, oh my god, but I can't. So now I'm finishing. And D. That's a B, but it's actually a D.